Hollywood Construction Studios. It has been a minute since we've been here. Yikes, look at all of this stuff. See? The tram leads you off all the way in the parking lot still by the construction. Park entrance that way. This is a mess. Wow. Magical. Here's the gondola system. Yeah, wow. Wow. So I guess this is the building structure for where the gondolas will land and cycle through. Hollywood Studios. Crowd levels look fairly moderately busy. And there he goes. Streetosphere.
Okay, Carol, do me a favor, stand up and face me. Because now it's time to meet the man who dreams. He's a doozy. Okay. Yeah, he's a big, go ahead.
But he is a writer here in town. In fact, everything I've said during this whole show is probably written down for me in a script. Ladies and gentlemen, say it aloud to one scenario!
That's me! Oh, Carol. I'm moving in, Carol. You're the husband? Oh, that's awful. We're going to be a happy family. We always need a backup plan.
So the wait times here for rides, all in about the hour range, hour and 15 minutes or so. I'm not sure I'm going to wait for any of the rides. I do want to check out all the Star Wars stuff. I feel like I'm coming for a visit home for a minute. Looks like the show is about to start soon. Here come the stars of the show. By God, it's the Death Troopers. Your Excellence, Stormtrooper.
To destroy a planet is insignificant next to the power of the Force.
R2-D2, where are you? My goodness, I am C-3PO, Human Cyborg Relations, and this is my counterpart, R2-D2. I'm going to regret this. Wait for me!
At last we will reveal ourselves to the Jedi.
The dark side. Join me. It is your destiny.
All remaining systems will bow to the fire.
It seems we have a deserter. One of our troops has abandoned his unit.
Show me again the power of the darkness. But I will let nothing stand in our way.
think that was weird that Ray wasn't in the show, but I haven't seen it for so long that I'm not sure that she's actually in the show. Of course, it's starting to rain outside. And by the way, Groot, Baby Groot and Star-Lord are still meeting. All right, we're gonna make our way in the Toy Story land. That is one big Woody. Woody and Jesse running. Get that toy and umbrella. Oh, it's literally not even 2 minutes later and it stopped raining. So they pulled the trigger on that running inside pretty quick. All right, all right, all right. Let's check out the Galaxy's Edge. Oh my Lord. There is a spaceship back there. I see it. Let's see if we can get a better view closer. Oh my goodness. Lots of rock work. Definitely a spacecraft. Got crappy digital zoom on this little pocket cam, so it is what it is. This is amazing. So I'm wearing this Galaxy's Edge shirt today. You can see kind of the tops of the buildings the way they are. And it looks an awful lot like this. Check that out. I think that's pretty much right off my shirt. It is pouring out again too. It's raining on Buzz. There you go, dude. Oh my goodness. I am very excited about this. Number one question that we get all the time because of the Star Wars stuff that we do and coming up to this park, when is it going to open? I honestly don't know. I do know that I've heard that it was running along faster than it was anticipated, but it still is about 3 months behind the Anaheim Disneyland version. I would put this opening somewhere, maybe late September, October next year. All right, let's take a better look again at the Galaxy's Edge models. Look at that Millennium Falcon. It's got the square dish still. The funny thing about having that rectangular dish is that I have heard rumors that they were going to go back to a round dish for episode 9. And I would think that Star Wars Land, Galaxy's Edge, would be taking place after episode 9. One small geeky thing for me. This is what we were looking at from a distance. There's the ship. Not too shabby. And here's the building to the left that we saw. And here's that Resistance Inter-System Transport ship. This thing is so cool. You get some concept art back there. So this week in Disney Parks Blog, they actually had some details around the cantina that'll be part of Galaxy's Edge, and what role Rex will be playing in the cantina, aka newly minted DJ Rex, spinning your top alien tunes in the cantina. All right, let's take a meander into Launch Bay. Go meet some characters. Let's check out some props first. WG22, is that you? FD3MN. He looks literally like one of those robots that like high schoolers would make to fight against each other. And that was basically his role in the movie. Props from Solo. We got Hans and Chewie's goggles. Lucky dice. Cards. Han Solo's Corellia costume. The DL-44 blaster. How I Want One of You. Old school Millennium Falcon when Lando owned it. And Han's Lance Meter. Enfy's Nest Staff. Kira's costume. We've got a trooper patrol happening here.
That's a no, citizen.
That little kid's trying to use the Force on them.
Thank you for supporting the First Order.
That's awesome. Alright, let's go meet Kylo Ren. Oh no.
Go ahead and join the Supreme Leader.
Stay close. There is power within you. I can teach you to control it. I will show you the ways of the dark side. Good
didn't look at the camera when I shot that last footage, so hoping that I had myself in the frame. I thought it was a good character beat. Ice cream machine. Yeah, we've got Kylo Ren's TIE silencer over here now. This amazing lightsaber. I look at this at home every time that I sit down to watch TV. Check out this Han Solo backpack. I love the features. Internal organization. What? This is what Mickey's Runaway Railway is looking like these days. They have some construction walls up around the Chinese theater. First Order Stormtroopers clearing a path. Alright, so we come around over here, Grand Avenue, a baseline bar. See the entrance for Star Wars Land, Galaxy's Edge. They've really done a great job now at kind of putting all of these trees and everything on top so you can't see what's shaking back there. Got a much better view when we were over in Toy Story Land, so you can't really see anything here. I think we've seen all that we're going to be able to see for Star Wars construction today. We come back to the entrance to the Muppet store where the exit is for the experience. You look over here. Once upon a time we saw AT-ATs that were being built over there. Now it's just a show building. Progress. Believe it or not, I'm gonna get something to eat at Pizza Rizzo because I am starving. The Pizza Eating Contest Hall of Fame, Big Mean Carl, Sweetums, Mama Mean. Sweetums won the last one. He's the defending champion. We're gonna eat in the banquet hall because someone just got married. Gosh, it's Goofy. Star Tours 30 minutes. I will not be riding today. Instead, we'll take a look through Tatooine Traders, see if there's anything new. Nothing new that I can see, just a lot of stuff left over from Solo. They made a cup out of like the old bed sheets from the 70s. Trails of the Jedi Temple.
Ready to learn?
Yes!
Are you ready to focus?
Yes!
Good. Then let's begin. There are 3 rules before you get accepted to Trials of the Top.
I am always all about riding Star Tours. You gotta ride that when you come to Hollywood Studios. It's amazing. I love that ride. But today I'm gonna get out of here and head over to Food and Wine a little bit. That's my Primetime Cafe. This sign always reminds me of Rocco's Modern Life. Marine Studios. She's not bad, she's just drawn that way. I like this shirt a lot. But 150 bucks. I can't do it. Wait a second. This guy has the shirt. When we leave Hollywood Studios now, you can't walk to the right and skip the trams up that way. You're forced to have to go out the long way. I don't want to keep complaining, but this is pretty beat. Alright, Hollywood Studios, we're out of here. Pretty awesome to see Galaxy's Edge really kind of taking shape at this point. As I'm recording this, there's a couple of people standing on a car, on someone else's car, as they're trying to find their car over there. What the hell? I don't know. I don't know what to say. I feel like I've been knocked sideways. That's kind of what I was thinking on the way back to the car, was that I'm such a huge fan of Star Wars, and I appreciate all of the people that have watched our videos over the years because of the Star Wars content that we have. But I really feel like The Last Jedi kind of knocked everybody sideways. For the most part, I like a lot of the Last Jedi movie, except for the Luke Skywalker parts, and Mark Hamill hasn't really done much to kind of quell the fire. Instead, kind of fueled it this week with another tweet basically saying that he doesn't really understand his character arc still, which is kind of like fueling rumors that are swirling about maybe Rian Johnson being sent to the bricks and things. I mean, I don't know what's going on. Like, quite honestly, I haven't been following along enough because of so much swirl that's happened with the Star Wars franchise over the last few months. The comments on our videos have been all across the board, with people that are really upset with the way the franchise has been handled. And there's people that are very happy with the way the franchise is handled. I know that with Clone Wars coming back, that was something that was a delighter for me. I love Clone Wars, and that was announced recently. That Clone Wars would be coming back. Star Wars Celebration I bought tickets for, and it's the weekend tickets sold out, and Saturday tickets sold out, and I think Friday tickets are gone now too. And I'm not sure that I'm going to go to Star Wars Celebration. It's I don't want other people to continue to ruin my experience for the stuff that I love. And I may not love all of it, and I think it's okay to still like some parts of it and not all of it. But the construction here has me really excited. The prospect of trying to battle crowds to get into Star Wars Land when it actually opens, that has me frightened. I'm very happy that it's opening in Disneyland for a couple of months before it opens up over here, because maybe a lot of people will get that hashtag first out of their system by going to the Disneyland version. But in any event, thanks a lot for coming along with me and checking out the Star Wars updates. Thank you very much for all of your likes and your comments and your subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a great night. See you guys.